After the revelation of the noble verse, "And warn your nearest relatives," according to authentic reports in Sunni sources such as Musnad Ahmad ibn Hanbal, and also reliable Shia narrations, the Messenger of God, peace be upon him and his family, gathered his relatives, the clan of Banu Hashim, in his home. After praising and glorifying God, he said, "O children of Abdul Muttalib, who among you will assist me in this divine mission, so that he may be my brother, my executor, and my successor among you?" All remained silent, except for a young boy, full of faith and determination, who rose from among the gathering. It was Ali ibn Abi Talib, whose heart overflowed with conviction, and he said, "O Messenger of God, I will be your helper." The Prophet then declared, "This is Ali, my brother, my executor, and my successor among you. Listen to him and obey him." From that day, in the very first steps of the prophetic mission, the Imamate of Ali was divinely established alongside the prophethood of Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family.